Well, we're also now cutting across to visuals that we are getting from Delhi. I believe Dr. Harshvardhan, the health minister, is visiting the Lady Harding Medical College over there. Let's cut across to Madhurima, who joins us with a report.
The Lady Harding Hospital, it is one of the section that we are in. It is the new building of the Lady Harding Medical College, and Dr. Harshvardhan, the health minister, is here. The health minister is here to take stock of the situation as to what is the progress at the Lady Harding Medical College. We are getting you the live visuals from the medical college, looking at the dire situation of increasing coronavirus cases in the national capital. We are yet on one of the other provisions at the Lady Harding Hospital. We're getting you live visuals that the health minister is checking at the situation, because this is one of the new buildings, and the government is trying to accommodate as many as COVID patients, looking at the high number of cases that the national capital is reporting daily, over 20 to 25,000 cases every day, and looking at the fatalities, which varies between 200 to around 400. This particular step has been taken. It's a very huge building at the medical college, and if this comes to function, it will be a major relief. It can accommodate around 1,000 beds of COVID-19, and we see that Dr. Harshvardhan here is monitoring each and every floor. He's here to take stock of the situation as to augment all preparations that can be done here to accommodate as many as patients of COVID-19. Looking at the current situation, India is staring at the fourth wave of COVID-19 cases. Dr. Harshvardhan is here at the Lady Harding Medical College, and we are trying to get you live visuals of the health minister trying to look at the entire situation, to monitor the entire facility that has been created by the college authorities. This is one new building of Lady Harding Medical College, and the health minister is here to take stock of the situation, because if this is brought into functioning, it can really help the case of the national capital, because we know that the national capital is reporting over 20,000 cases every day, and looking at the dearth of oxygen, and specifically ICU beds, oxygen beds, ventilator beds, this could act as a boon to the present situation of the national capital, where there is a scarcity of medical facilities. Looking at the number of cases that are being reported every day, the health minister is here at the medical college. He is taking stock of the situation. He is asking officials how soon can this entire accommodation be ready, that the patients can be shifted here. It's a very huge building, and if it comes to existence, it will be a very big step for the national capital, as it needs. Looking at the dire and the worrisome situation, the national capital needs this kind of an accommodation, and Dr. Harshvardhan is here to make sure that the entire situation is accelerated, the entire situation is paced up, the entire situation is paced up, and this facility can be readied so that the patients can be admitted here. The health minister, you can see, is now returning. He has taken stock of the entire situation. He has checked all the floors where the beds have been set. More accommodation, more equipment is to be bought here at the medical college. And the health minister has taken stock of the situation, and he will be speaking to the other people as well, as to see that how soon can this facility be ready. It is the most important question, because looking at the situation of the national capital, it becomes imperative that we come up with such facilities to cater to the high number of coronavirus cases that the national capital is producing. We know that the national capital is under a lockdown, and Dr. Harshvardhan, being the health minister, has come here at Lady Hardinge Medical College to make sure that this particular facility can be provided to these patients who are being treated for coronavirus. We've been reporting all across the national capital. We've seen that how the people of the national capital are facing the dearth of beds, oxygen, drugs, and every other facility that could be used to treat coronavirus. And hence, the health minister is here at the Lady Hardinge Medical College because it is one of the biggest facilities. It is a very new building that has been built here in the heart of the national capital around the Connaught Place area. And the health minister is here to see how fast can we really pace up the entire work and facilitate this particular building for the patients of coronavirus. The COVID-19 patients need more beds. Looking at the situation, looking at the number of fatalities, it has become imperative for the government to come up with such facilities, all across the national capital, as many as beds required. Because every day, what we are getting is one or another hospital in the national capital making an SOS call for oxygen, for beds. And looking at the dire situation, this particular college of Lady Hardinge is being, now this particular building of Medical College of Lady Hardinge is being separated and could be converted into a COVID-19 facility and can accommodate. It's a very huge building, around 1,000 beds. Now, 1,000 beds is something that the national capital would need desperately. The Chief Minister has also been working out a lot lately. And is trying to, you can see that he is here at the facility where you can see this is one of the facilities. This is, I believe, the vaccination center. This is the vaccination center at the Lady Hardinge College. The health minister is taking the stock of the situation of people who are being vaccinated here. You can see that we are on the waiting room of the vaccination center. Here, people are being vaccinated. India has already vaccinated around 14 crore people. And he is meeting with all the people who have been vaccinated. He's asking them about their health and if they're feeling fine or not. A very warm gesture by the health minister to come into the vaccination center and take stock of the situation. It's more of an impromptu call by the health minister. He was leaving, but all of a sudden he turned towards the vaccination center and is now taking stock of the situation as to how the entire process is going on, how well the vaccination is underway. We know that the vaccination has been opened, the registration for all above the age of 18. And we have seen that over 1 crore people have already registered themselves on day one. And we are here at the Lady Hardinge Medical College in the chunk of the hall, in the section of the college where the vaccination is happening. We can see that the health minister is taking the stock of the situation as to how the vaccination is going on. The health minister is here. He has spoken to the people who have been administered the jabs here at the Lady Hardinge Medical College. He is also meeting up with the staff who are administering the vaccine. It's a very large vaccination center, and he's been meeting everybody once again. He is meeting the people of our country, the people of national capital, as to how are they feeling after taking the jabs. This is the vaccination center. And one after another, he is meeting officers, he's meeting medical officers, he is meeting the people who are registering the people for vaccination. He also went into the observation rooms. There are multiple observation rooms. We are in observation room number 2, where one after another, he is meeting the people who have been vaccinated and are being observed. The observation time lasts for around half an hour to 45 minutes. And we are at the observation room, one after another. This was an impromptu call by the health minister, and he is looking at and he's meeting people who are sitting at the observation room here. We can see the health minister taking stock of the situation. One after another, he has gone personally to meet multiple people He is being escorted by the staff and the officials. He has been taking stock of the situation from the doctors as well as to how the entire vaccination process is going on. The vaccination center here at the Connaught Place Hospital, the Lady Hardinge Hospital, is a very huge one. The minister has taken this impromptu call to visit the vaccination center and see how the entire drill is happening at the Lady Hardinge Hospital. And we is now returning and taking stock of the situation with the doctors. We are getting you live visuals of Dr. Harsh Vardhan at the Lady Hardinge Medical College, where he is taking the stock of situation of the COVID-19 beds that have been set up. He has inquired about how fast can we make possible that all these beds are accommodated, the equipment comes up, and patients can be admitted in this particular hospital.